Hi there. Welcome in or welcome back. I'm Steve.
And I'm Jane.
And we're Why Not Travel Oz. Come and join us while we head into Gympie.
In this week's episode, we stay in an amazing camp. It's called 9 Mile Camp, and there's no check-in, no check-out time.
It was pretty cool.
It was great. So this week we do cop some hail, the poor brand new van and car, but why not come along and join us?
Yeah, why not? See you soon. Cheers. Just walking around Gympie and oh my god, now we've got to walk up here and it doesn't give it justice. What was that?
I shouldn't have had such a big lunch.
No. What do we want to do tomorrow?
We're going to come down from here and we're going to get on a ferry and do this up here. This was where we were going to stay.
Yeah.
And then there's a lighthouse out here, and then you can come across to here.
Okay.
And
Then we come round.
We'll stay up there in a couple of days.
Yep. Gonna have super fun. Big thunderstorm coming. Do you reckon we'll get rain?
I think we might get rain, we might get hail.
So this is Lake Alfred in Gympie. Lots and lots of birds and ducks and geese. All sorts, yeah. Here they all are. So many birds. Hello, what are you doing? Swans. Come on through. Guess what? They duck fast pretty quick. They're going that fast, they've got the wobbles up. This storm looks pretty wild. What do you think?
I think it always happens to us. I don't know how we bring the bad weather.
I hope the caravan's going to be alright.
Me too.
We have hail. We have hail.
We have hail. I'm going to try and find somewhere to get out of this hail, but I don't think we've got much luck. Gympie, after we rock up. Oh, I really hope the van's okay. There is so much hail and floodwaters, and we have to get back to the caravan park through a very low-lying area. It's just starting to ease up now, but far out. It's just been crazy. Isn't it?
Really crazy. This is really bad.
Sky is very angry. Hopefully the birds are okay, and the little lizard I just saw. I don't know when our wipers will work again. All this all over it. Right, Steve's braving the hail. Well, I think the hail is gone, but oh my god, there is so much on the ground. And in like a floodway, it's soaked. But it needs to get
Check this out.
I thought you were going to get the hail.
I'm getting
off
there.
the window.
Just hang on a minute.
We're in like floodwaters. Did your feet get wet?
No, I was standing on ice.
Oh, don't slip.
Okay, I'm gonna risk it.
Biscuit, baby.
It's crazy.
The road's going to be slippery. And then you get silly people. That is insane. Like, check it out. There is literally like snow on our car in Queensland. Do you know how tempted I am to wipe the window? Do you need to use the handle in here, Steve?
Hey.
Handle in here.
Be quick. I think we'll be overweight now.
With all the hail on our car. GVM upgrade didn't account for that, did it?
It didn't. Okay,
Alright,
we
let's
need
go
to
check
go.
Nessie. Slowly.
Get the ice. See if we can get the ice off.
Okay. It didn't work.
Darkness. Where do we go?
Oh, you got to go this way.
You got to be going.
It's like snow. This is in Gympie where it's warm. Like we were just walking up there in the grass. So we just arrived back at camp after that hailstorm. So far Nessie looks alright. No dents down the side, windows are all intact. Steve's just gonna hop up.
Try and get up.
And
I can't put my foot on there, can I?
don't know, hang on to the ladder. Sorry, we just can you step up one higher? Not really yet. Do you want the GoPro?
Yeah. So you said what we're doing?
I think so.
Right, we're just checking out the roof. Make sure everything's okay. Which is looking like it is.
Looks like it is.
Yeah. Still thunder coming.
Hopefully going.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Good.
Alrighty. Hand you back to Jane.
Thank you. We'll just manoeuvre ourselves down. There is the frame here, Steve, too. Right down here. Or just onto the ladder. Please don't fall. That would not be good. Alright, moment of truth. What's it like inside?
Alright, I'll follow you in.
Oh, I'm nervous. Okay.
Let's have a look.
No water at the doorway. It's got to be a good sign. Nothing on the bed, nothing coming out of the hatch.
Looks all good.
Nothing on the sink. There's a cushion here, but that was just the bumpy road. Just that. That's how dirty our floor is. So I cannot see any leaks at all.
So looking good.
If that went through that hailstorm, that's pretty good. That's all dry.
It's pretty good.
Phew, I think we might be right. That's amazing. There was so much hail, I'm really impressed.
That is very impressive, isn't it?
Yeah, not a drop of water anywhere.
I'll just try up in there.
Sorry we left you, Nessie.
Just get Jane to hop up on the bed and just check the back.
Dirty shoes on though. No, it's completely dry. Everything is dry.
Very good.
Nothing on any of the
Alright, high
pillows.
five.
Phew. Let's go explore now.
We are so relieved.
So relieved. Alright, that was a worry.
So we'll just check over Bertha as well, just make sure she's okay. So I think she copped most of it. There's still heaps of leaves and stuff from the tree that we're under. Doesn't seem to be any major problems. So look up here. Just a lot of leaves and stuff. Okay, I'll just check the other side on the Starlink. Well, I can probably check at the back for that. I think it looks alright.
That's amazing.
It is really amazing. Just a lot of crap up on the
Might need a clean.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Okay, we're just going to have a bit of a walk around the park here. It's absolutely drenched, but we'll have a bit of a look, won't we?
We will. Sorry.
There's a heap of kangaroos in here. Hello. What are we looking at?
All these are all closed up. And down there they're all open. You see that?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Weird.
Just trying to protect themselves from the rain.
You would think they want to catch the rain.
Yeah. So we're just coming out the other side, and we just want to show everybody the billabong. Billabong.
Such a weird word.
It is a weird word.
Billabong.
Alright, I'll turn it around. It's quite wet at the moment, but it just looks beautiful. Stunning, isn't it? So there's so many camping spots, little fires, little fire pits everywhere, and then just yeah, all these little camping areas. And that's right next to the billabong. Even around these camp areas, it's all mowed back, and yeah, really neat and tidy. It's really, really good. So we're just walking around the walk, and we found the one of the cabins out here all by itself. Wanted some peace and quiet. Like a cabin that's a tent, isn't it?
Yeah, like a safari tent thing,
Yeah.
but great for family.
That's really good. It's like you're really glamping, isn't it? How much firewood have you got?
Just what I collected. One little bit.
Keep us warm tonight.
Yeah.
So we had a great time at Gympie, despite the storm we had,
Hailstorm, yeah. Look, Queensland, beautiful one day, hailstorm the next.
and we copped it.
We did, and it was a bit of a worry, but look,
Yeah.
we loved it. It's a beautiful town and has lots to offer.
Yeah, but come and join us while we continue our shakedown.
Yeah, next episode we're going to head into Tiwa Beach and up to Double Island Point and Rainbow Beach, which was just fantastic. So
Yeah, it was such a beautiful area.
yeah, come along and join us next week.
Yeah, see you soon. Bye.
Yeah, bye.